Welcome to Crafty Hints. I'm Chantel. Today I'll be sharing 2 DIYs from the Dollar Tree, as well as a trash to treasure. I'd love to get your feedback. What did you enjoy? What are you working on? What would you like to see? All right, let's get to our first project.
All right, and we're going to start with our Dollar Tree bin, and we're going to use this Rust-Oleum hammered metal spray. This is great because it works on plastic, and look at this amazing finish it gives it. Next, I'm just going to wrap the handles here. I took a piece and folded it in half to make this easy to just wrap around, pinned it in the corner. And as you can see, as I'm going around, I just have to give it a little bit of a twist to keep it tight. And then just a little bit of glue here and there. And away we go. This part's fun. We're just going to antique it a little bit, give it a little bit of age and make it look like it's been out there for a while. So anywhere where normal wear and tear, where it would get banged around a little bit, we're going to put a little bit of this burnt umber apple barrel paint. I also used a little bit of black apple barrel. And then I also used a baby wipe to just rub some of it off so I could see how it was going to grab it. I was also a little impatient, as some of us crafters are. I didn't quite let the hammered metal dry as well as I should have. I should have left it overnight. But this is still working well, and as you can see, it grabs it. But just rub it off and add a little bit more until you're happy with it. Okay, this is looking amazing. I love this. It looks like an old aged bin, just about how I want it. I'm sure I'll be rubbing a little bit here or there to make it exactly, but let's get some greenery in here. I got this from Hobby Lobby when it's half off. I always go half off, but I've got 2 bunches there. Normally, I would poke it right into the foam and maybe add a little bit of glue if I wanted it permanent. But I really like this bin, and I'll probably use it for fall also. So what I'm doing is just going to arrange this so that it works for now, and it'll just sit up there. It's not going to move. It'll sit up on the counter. So I'll add a little bit of ribbon here and finish it up. could not be any happier with this. This is amazing, and I have one more idea on how I can incorporate this into my kitchen. Wow, I love it. Here it is. I added 3 canning jars and some kitchen utensils. Did this not turn out amazing? I love it. All right, so a Dollar Tree bin, some ribbon, and some twine and a little paint, and it's as easy as that to turn that bin into this.
For our next project, we're going to do this plaque from the Dollar Tree. I adore teachers. My sister's a teacher, in fact, but I just don't need this plaque, so I'm going to use it for my own home decor. So I'm going to use this 100% acetone and remove it. It comes off so easy. Look at that. All right, and a little bit of the black on here you can use to just give it a little bit of aging, and that takes it all off. And then I'll use this Folk Art Home Decor wax to make this MDF on the side look like wood. It doesn't grab it like wood normally does, so it takes a little bit of working with this wipe. And then I'll also add a little bit of black, and there we are. Okay, and I'm just going to add to this a decal that I created with my Cricut. It says grateful and so blessed at a little bit of an angle. Remember, use your own stickers, transfers, rub-ons, paint pens, paints, whatever to make this yours. It's a nice blank plaque to put whatever you'd like. I'm also using a tool I got from the Dollar Tree. It has a weeding tool on one side and a scraper on the other. I love this thing. It's amazing. I'm also going to take a little bit of paint to just go on top of these nail heads, and I'll add a few embellishments, and it's a cute little piece. that? Did that not turn out nice? Again, for $1 and a few pieces that we already had at home, there we are, grateful and so blessed. This one's kind of a little bonus. I just took these little wee yogurt glass cups that I thought would match with the other items that we made, and I tied on a bead. Oh, forgot to tell you guys, that big bag of beads that I got had 1,000 in there for only $15.99 on Amazon. I thought that was a great deal. Now, to tint these, we're going to take a tablespoon of Elmer's glue and about 1/2 to 3/4 of a tablespoon of water. You could definitely use Mod Podge, but I really like to use Elmer's glue, and you just have to fiddle with it till it makes the right consistency for you. So I've got 2 drops of blue and a drop of green. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. Okay, you're going to want to let this drip for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Now, as you can see, I'm just painting the outside of this other one, and I would also turn it upside down for about 1/2 hour to 45 minutes. And then I put them in the oven at about 225 for about 30 minutes. Now, this one dripped down. I don't know if I didn't flip that one upside down or what, but this one I painted the inside, that one was the outside. Now this is another one I had done on my own, and it was the outside, and it turned out just fine. This glass, this blue one that kind of looks like the old mason glass, I painted that on the outside as well. So it can definitely turn out this way, you just have to adjust it. I think it might need to be just a little bit thicker. The one that dripped, I did go back and try a second one around, but it didn't help it. So you can always wash it off. It is washable glue, so you can wash it off if you want to. But this is what they look like.